आप लोग. Today I'm going to tell you how to reuse your old CDs. You can use it as a wall piece or you can use it as a poster. So let's start. I'm using CD, sponge, acrylic paint, brushes. Now spread the color. Background is ready now. I'm going to make flowers on this CD. I'm using crimson red to make the petal of this flower. It's very easy. White color to do shading. I'm adding more petals, few buds. Now take sap green to make stem and leaves. All the stems are interconnected. Make small leaves, tiny leaves. Hope you all are enjoying your artwork. It's not very difficult. Another CD is ready. I am making cloud with the help of my finger. Now the cloud is ready. Just mix black color in sap green. To make the hedges. Now mix white color in sap green to highlight the hedges. Overlapping of leaves. Now take some yellow color to make tiny flowers. Adding few more leaves. Now take a piece of yellow sheet, another CD, using sap green,
Add some white color with yellow to highlight the flower. Some more leaves with green color. Overlapping of leaves. It looked good. Now the next CD, I'm taking sponge and putting some red color. Just dab. From the back side of the sponge, use yellow color to highlight this flower. Is it easy? And it's looking nice. Now I'm taking the help of brush, putting some yellow color. Take sap green for leaves. Few leaves, not very much. This flower is looking beautiful with dark background, and it's easy also.